guys, welcome back to another video, and this is the second video that I'm making in a day, so this is new. I need to pull on my mic. Okay. Anyways, so shout out to Raina. She's a kid in my class and asked for another one. So yeah, shout out to her. Okay, let's see what we got. Not another one, but a scythe. So a pretty cool one. Let's see if we can actually get one of those things over there this time. I mean, I got the glitch block, but I kind of want another thing. I mean, maybe we could get one of these. Still have a while. What is that weapon? How does it explode people? Okay. Yeah, anyway, shout out to Aina for making this video possible. Okay. Let's check out anything else like over here. Once again, I'm trying to figure out how to turn comments on so you guys can comment on videos and suggest some games. The next video that I'm gonna make on the channel, which is gonna be tomorrow, is gonna be a normal elevator video. So we're gonna do that. What? Am I like invincible now? Okay, I guess we're gonna be standing here. Let's see if we can get it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, I got it! Haha. Whoa, whoa. Okay. That's something. Huh, okay, so you tap to control it. This is neat. Wow. Woo. Okay, so this is a cooler item than what we normally get. Could like camp out on top of this tree if we wanted. Let's see if we can land on the tree. Probably not. Yeah, no. What's this? Huh, okay. Okay. Someone tries to kill me, I can just ride away. This is pretty cool. Whee! I'm pretty lucky to get that. You ask and you will receive. Okay. Is there any coming soon? Someone killing me? Everybody got the glitch. Congratulations. I guess that said it to everyone else then. That I got the glitch when I got it. Last video. No. Wait, what? I go inside. Okay, I can go inside bases. No, I can't. Teleported me to mine. Okay, let's see if we could get one of the other ones. We got one of them and we got this. Let's see if we can get like another cool item like we did last one. He got an umbrella. Oh. This is interesting, I guess. Never thought I would whack someone with an umbrella. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, okay. Nope. I broke it. Okay, let's go up. Wait, is that a hot air balloon? Okay. Oh no. Someone's gonna kill us. Up, 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 up. Up. No, I'm stuck in the tree. It's giving me like Harry Potter vibes. Like, like in the start, I'm pretty sure of Harry Potter. Pretty sure it's like I forgot his name. Like the administrator of Hogwarts. Let's go into the clouds. See if we can do anything here. Ooh. Can we hop? Hop. Hop. Up. Nope. Saved. How much more time? Oh, nope. This is not where I want to be. No one comes, I'll shoot. No! I got it, but I didn't get it. No. Well, they just lost it for themselves, too. I lost my motorbike. I got a cool battle axe, though. I'm coming to slice. Slice and dice. Whoa. Okay. Pretty sure there's some others that are almost done. He got it. Let's see what I got. Oh, I got 2 things. I got a flame orb and a thing. Do you get anything other? No, you just get 2 items. What does this do? Okay, that's completely useless. But I got a fire weapon. Shoots fire. In any direction. Yeah. Okay. Oh, she got one too. Oh, that's not fair. Okay, let's see if we can kill anyone. Oh. Ow. Ow, what? Like a long noodle. Anyone who dares come to me will die. I guess I'm the one dying. I get that. I get those good ones, and then I die. It's like everyone's targeting me, but they're not. Nope. Ka-ching. Nope. Ching. Ching. Yay. Ching. No. I must escape. Let's see if we can. Grappling hook. Grappling hook. Grappling hook. There we go. And we're safe. Teleport. Go. Okay. Now let's hop onto the tree. Maybe we could do that. Tree hop. Boom. What? Someone just set off a nuke? I'm a noob. I'm a noob. I'm a yellow guy. also known as a noob. Anyways, bye. See you guys in the next one. Next video.